Hello, hello, hello again, y'all. So, you know, Low Tech Sister's back with another birthday unboxing. The last one was for my hubby, and this one is for me to me. I saw it on sale and grabbed it from you know where, my favorite online consignment shop. Hopefully this video that I'm recording right now will actually go up for my birthday. It's a couple weeks before my birthday, but yeah, my iPad's been acting up and it's not been wanting to upload my videos. So I'm gonna see if I can get it fixed, but you might be seeing this after my actual birthday occurs. Anyhow, get this opened up. And y'all know, I'm telling you guys, don't sleep on Fashion File. You really, you gotta keep an eye out and know what you're looking for, but you can find fab stuff on there. Dang, every single one has the cut. These used to be not given out as frequently. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, let me just put this back. So this is there. And okay, let me just, like I said, it's low tech, so I don't even know what this looks like right now. Let me go check. Oh yeah, you guys got a good sight. Got a good viewing of it. Here we go. Okay, this is for me. Let me go and look at this. Oh, sorry. Yes, I am still on my Chanel train, y'all. Oh, this is the, oh my gosh. Oh, okay, that's in there. Oh, they still have the tag with it too. That's always nice. Let's see here. What is this? I think this is a 2020 piece, but either way. Let's look at it together. Oh, this is beautiful as it was online. Wait a minute, it's not that? Oh, okay. Oh my goodness, they are. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, sorry. Let me put these up so you can see them. Oh, let me put this together a little bit better for y'all. So y'all get a better look-see like I'm getting. Oh my gosh. And yes, I know this is costume jewelry, but Chanel jewelry I'm in love with. I love vintage. That's the primary thing I get. But oh my goodness, these earrings are gorgeous. Oh, wait a minute now. Oh, I thought that was, oh no, okay, that's just a piece of dust. All right, good. Those will get bad. There you go. Okay, let me just see if I can bring y'all in a little closer. So yeah, it came with the up here. Came with the original tag. The little, usually it'll say up here what year, but REV I believe means it's something that comes out every year. It's part of their regular line. But oh my goodness, so pretty. So pretty. Love it. Okay, let me bring y'all in closer. Let's see here. So y'all get a better look-see at this beauty. All right. Like I said, low tech. I'm in a guest bedroom right now. Oh my gosh. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And this I saw online, so that's okay. There's another marking on there that, well, what I thought was marking, but it wasn't. It was not. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, let me hold it out for you. Don't look at these ashy fingers, y'all. Oh, you're not gonna come out? Okay. Here it is. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I like that they're a little off-centered. And I have a similar pair that's in crystal, silver, and leather. Leather's woven through the seas as well as some crystal. But they're much bigger than this pair. And I love that this is smaller. Oops. Yay! Ooh. Okay, they're really not acting right. Yay! I love it. Now ask me whether or not this focus works. Oh, there's Zoom. I learn something new every day. Oh my goodness. So let's see here. I know there's seats in here. It's in this area. You open it up. And it's gorgeous. I thought these were 2020, but maybe I'm wrong. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't show the description. Oh, whatever. But here we go. Chanel Baguette Crystal High Society earrings. Yay! I wonder if there's a date code that I can see on here. Ooh, no, not with these old eyes. Oh, no, yeah, I can. Maybe I can't. It's pretty damn small. Okay, let me put it here and see if I can zoom in. I don't have my glasses with. Well, actually, I'm actually nearsighted, so I should be able to see this bad boy just fine. Yeah. It was clear there for a second. Oh, here we go, here we go. Yeah, 20B, 20V. I think that's what it says. Yay! Okay, let me zoom out. Oh, that's a gorgeous pair of earrings. And let me see. I'm wearing my. If you saw my last video, I did a video of my Dior collection, Dior jewelry collection. I actually don't own the Dior bag anymore. Had one and just didn't use it. But oh gosh darn it! Now the earring won't get back together. I'm trying to put the earring back together here. So you guys can have like a comparison, because this is the earring that's on the Dior website right now. Oh, just accidentally, let me put this down. Okay. Put the earring back together, and then we can all have a look-see as far as size comparison. Alrighty. So here is the Dior Montaigne. You can see that? Those earrings. And that'd be a good comparison to these. Very, very, wish I had a larger pair of earrings so you can get that too, but this just happens to be what I'm wearing today, and I'm not about to go ripping and running, looking around for something else. Well, I guess I could take off both earrings for you, huh? Okay, hold on. Hold on. Oops. Yay! I love it. Oh my goodness gracious. It's acting up. No, it's not. Why? Oh my goodness. So you're just not going to act right for me at all today, huh? Yeah, okay. That's about as good as it's going to get, y'all. So you can see the size difference. You can go on the Dior website to get specifics on dimensions. But yeah, this is a nice pair of earrings. I mean, it's substantial, but not, I need to do a video about this too, but I love a statement earring, period. Big, I just love it. And since I've gotten into Chanel, particularly vintage Chanel, I love a vintage statement earring. But, you know, this is definitely a step down from a statement earring for me. This I would consider a work earring, the bottom one. This I would consider, you know, casual day to day. Yes, I know there's crystals up in there, but listen, style it right, put it with some jeans, whatever. But yeah, this is really, that's my aesthetic. I like big earrings. Hell, I like big jewelry, period. Let's see if I can turn this around so you can see. See what I'm wearing today. Dior. I don't even know if this is coming in. Hold on, let me put my mask on. So just in case you get my face. Oh, so big jewelry. Big jewelry has always been my friend. Oh gosh. Anyways, that is what I got. Happy birthday to me. Okie dokie. So I'm trying to be more regular, y'all. I'm trying to post a video at least, you know, every weekend, and then randomly during the week if I have time. So this should be going up Friday, a couple days. All right, I will. Oh no, that's tomorrow. Oh yeah. Okay. Anyways, y'all have a great one. Until next time, take care, y'all.